Alright guys, we're live again. This is Crypto Leprechaun coming back at you on August the 11th, 2022 at 8:58 a.m. Eastern Time. I hope this stream finds everybody doing well. I hope finds everybody doing very well in the trading world. We are only 30 minutes away from market open in the stock market. And everything looks to be on track to have another great, amazing day. Hopefully green day. And looks like the futures are up a couple hundred points already. And as we get closer to market open, hopefully those numbers keep going up and up and up. So we shall see what's going on. We currently have Square Foot in the room already, and we've been talking a little bit. What's up, Square Foot? What's going on this morning?
What's up? Just enjoying these gains. Hopefully they stay.
Sorry, I was taking a drink. Yeah.
Are you still in your Ethereum Classic?
No, I got out at just a little bit of a profit.
Did you see it?
No, why to go up?
It's at 42.
Nuh-uh.
Yep, 42.60.
That figures. Jesus. I got out like up $1.
Yeah, she popped.
Gosh dang it. I've been waiting for 4 days. I am currently in an Ethereum long, and I don't know what got me in. I got in a Bitcoin short. I don't know why. What in the hell I was thinking there. But I'm thinking about maybe getting out of it.
Probably wouldn't hurt. I mean, you might find a better position. I don't know.
Yeah.
Because the DXY is dropping too. It's at 104.70. What's oil at? Oil is at 93. It actually came up.
Damn. Yeah, I did a little bit. Yeah,
But that's fine.
I'm getting out of my Bitcoin short. I don't know. I got in it yesterday. I don't know, early yesterday. I don't know what I was thinking.
Well, I mean, who'd have thought? I mean,
I think maybe I thought I was maxing out, and it was during one of those little bit of pullbacks, and I thought, oh well, here we go. Everything's topped out, and obviously that was wrong.
Well, that's the market that we've been used to trading,
Yeah, well, yeah, you're right. Yeah, pump and then dump.
It's rare that we get, 3 days in a row. Because what's the only rare day we've had is Tuesday.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been a really good week so far. And so far I guess tomorrow is the end of it, but
Zell is at 153 pre-market.
I saw that. It's I just got notification my options are up 20% today already.
Really?
Yeah.
The options market shouldn't even been. It's not open yet. Well, I don't know. Mine does that to me sometimes.
Well, it
doesn't open till market open. Options normally don't function, don't move in pre-market.
Well, I don't know. It's showing that my option's worth 51 cents now. And it was down. So it's...
Well, they're going to pop. I can go on and let you know that it's going to make you're going to be like, huh?
Yeah.
Especially those fear options. Now, you won't be able to sell them for what they say they're worth, but it sure as hell makes the portfolio look good.
Right. Yeah.
I can't wait till mine pop. I bought 3 more forward options yesterday.
Sweet.
And, yeah, I mean, I still got 3 calls on HUT for 2024, and I've still got 13 calls on Sphere, and 700 shares of Sphere, and 800 shares of HUT.
Oh my gosh.
So, let's just hope it stays. I just want to take some of this profit out of HUT. That's all, because they're, the fact that their earnings were what they were.
Yeah.
Let's see what they missed. They missed, shoot, where's it at? Oh, I will say that it, do you have HUT 8 where you can pull it up on TradingView?
I think I looked it up. Let me see if I got it on my watch list. If not, I need to add it if I don't. I thought I added it when we were talking about it the other day. If I do, it's at the bottom. Oh, maybe I don't. I need to add it anyway. What's is it just HUD?
HUT. Yeah.
Oh, T. I don't know why I said HUD.
And look at the weekly chart, and then you can look at the RSI, and you can see every time we've made this curl back around. I don't know if you have the simple moving average in your RSI, but every time we've made this move up, it's been a bull run as far as HUT goes.
HUD, you said to go to weekly?
Yeah. You can see the MACD cross bullish and the RSI.
Man, it's so wild. I gotta adjust my charts here. Yeah, I did. It just flipped bullish. And, yeah, boy, it looks good. Damn.
It's just the earnings is what I'm worried about this morning, because they missed by 40 cents a share, which is terrible.
Yeah.
But it says the surprise, let's see, revenue was only down 385,000. So, I mean, it was reported, the estimate was 34.4 million and reported 34 million. So that's really not that bad.
No.
When you look at it like that, as far as revenue.
Right.
But, I don't know. I mean, the thing is that, if all these mining companies have been accumulating Bitcoin, which most of them have, during the down period, when Bitcoin goes back up, I mean, these things are going to go up fast, especially if the S&P and the Dow and everything starts, keeps going up.
Right.
They're going to rip.
Yeah, today, you're right. Today might be our last day for a few days, because I hate trading on Fridays. I really do.
Me too.
I mean, I will if I'm in a position or whatever already, but I usually don't get into a lot of new stuff on Fridays, because usually Fridays just, if they're not down, they don't do much.
Right.
I can't remember really ever a great Friday. I mean, I know, I'm sure we have, but I guarantee we have. But none ring a bell to me off the bat.
Right.
I mean, it just seems like. No, I think that one day that we traded Ford, I think, was a Friday.
Yeah, I mean, every now and then it works out.
It did tank though.
That was earnings.
Uh,
But Ford killed earnings this year, or this quarter.
Yeah. What's Ford doing pre-market?
It's up.
Pretty much
It is at 1568.
Pretty much every stock, I think, is up, isn't it?
Yeah, except for GME.
Damn, Zella's up 18 cents pre-market.
Oh well, it should come back down.
Well, I hope not.
Well, I mean, just for a second, if it's the fact that it popped back up, I mean, I might jump back in it. I don't know. I mean, that's kind of what I was waiting to see, is whether or not
Yeah.
it was actually going to come back or not. Because, I mean, I was willing to just take that loss. Well, luckily, I've already made back, because I put my money from Zella and HUT, I've already tripled my money.
Yeah, so it's not like you lost anything there. You just...
No, I didn't lose anything at all.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
It was a good lateral movement.
I hate to buy it at 150 for sure, but it doesn't matter. I'd buy it at $2 if I was sure it's going to keep going.
Right.
Because I like the company, and I like what they're doing.
Yeah, like you said, the only problem is the CEO shit.
Yeah, he's shit.
That's a shame that
Mm-hmm.
it's that situation.
But Sphere, man, Sphere's just, I'm telling you, man. I woke up thinking about it at like 2 o'clock this morning, 2:30.
Right, I know the feeling.
And I've been waking up a lot lately, like early in the morning, and I'll stay up for about 30 minutes or something and go back to sleep. So I pulled up my phone, and I see HUT is up it was at like 280 something at that point, and
Mm-hmm.
it had already started moving. And I was like, oh, that's awesome. So I started looking into Sphere because like Hut's cool I'm cool with Hut, but their float is pretty big, and
Right.
so their share price to me, I mean, if Bitcoin hit like 100,000, I could see Hut going into the 30s or something. But um, with Sphere, when Bitcoin was at like 40,000, Sphere was trading around $7.
Jeez.
Yeah. So, and they've doubled their Bitcoin, and they're also supposed to be. I mean, I've been waiting on these miners to get introduced
Uh-huh.
for a year now.
Right.
I've been trading Sphere for a minute,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
apparently, of course, they're supposed to be doing it at the end of August. That was what was scheduled, and they've been talking about that since I don't know, since June. And
What,
their
double?
earnings,
You said double on their production?
well, they don't even have. I think they have like 900 miners in operational at the moment, but they're supposed to get 4,000 up and operational by the end of August.
Oh shit, that's like three
Yeah,
times.
they're mining about
No, more
half a
now.
Bitcoin. I think they're mining. What was it? Half a Bitcoin, or shit? What was it? I forget what the hell their rate was. I had it pulled up a minute ago. Find it again. I closed all this shit out, but
Half a, you think it's half a day?
I think it is so far. So if they see, that would be 4 times the amount. So then they could be mining, around
Two?
2.5 to 3 Bitcoin a day.
Jesus, that'd be a big difference.
A big difference, and they've already doubled their holdings. So they're at I think they're at 49, or what was reported in July. Their Bitcoin holdings were 49 Bitcoin or something like that.
Uh-huh.
And so, and that's up from 26 in March.
Now,
And so,
if Bitcoin
so
goes up, it doesn't affect their production any, right? It just makes their
no, it just
value
makes
that
their
much
revenues.
better. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it makes their company worth more because that's what their assets are put into.
Right,
So,
right. Damn. So Bitcoin goes up. That's why
yeah.
they okay.
And this is like, so you see Sphere moving like this morning, when it went up to 81, I think it kind of came back down. Well, no, it's still at 81. So it's up 7%. And Sphere typically doesn't see more than about 700,000 shares traded a day. So
Yeah.
imagine when shareholders step in, or when people start buying the stock and Bitcoin's going up at the same time. I mean, this thing could just rip.
Oh wow.
It ripped last. I mean, look, when I was trading it last year about this time, man,
Yeah.
I think I put $120 in contracts, and it was trading at about what was it? I think around 275, and I got out of those contracts initially at, I don't know, $7 or something like that. But basically, so at $125, I was able to go up to about 4 grand in a day.
Holy cow.
Yeah, and I wasn't holding but 10 contracts, so
Wow.
I paid $5 a piece for them. I sold them for like $300 something a piece,
That's
$400.
awesome.
Yeah, it's insane.
That's crazy. It's
But that was
great
also
news.
based on news of a merger with another Bitcoin mining company, and that merger failed.
Oh.
So that's why the share price fell so hard. But Sphere decided to continue to mine on their own and follow through with the mining, well, with the purchase of all the Bitcoin miners. And they're supposed to be the world's largest carbon neutral Bitcoin miner by the end of the third quarter.
Wow.
That was the goal, or in March at least.
Uh-huh.
So if that happens, I mean, you're looking at them mining as much as Marathon Digital, or which has been to $80 a share,
Jeez.
and this fucker's at 80 cents.
Right.
So I mean, I don't know, man. It's like, is it, what's the worst that can happen? I mean,
Well, yeah, I mean that's kind of the way I look at it. I mean, I got my options out till March 17th of 23, so
Right.
I mean I've got plenty of time, and if all that's true, and Bitcoin would happen to pop, man, this thing could really, it could really take
Yeah.
off.
I mean, it's up. It's only up 16% in the past month. So it hasn't really done as much because there's no people buying it. That's just Bitcoin going up.
Yeah,
And the HUD 8 is up 100%
wow,
in the last month. You know,
man, I got two contracts of any or Spear at $2 calls. I got them for 18 cents, and it says the current price is 1 penny. I don't understand that.
that's because of the bid.
Oh, okay.
Just wait till 8:30. I mean, till whatever when the market opens.
Okay. Yeah, it says a
And
bid. The bid is zero. It says.
yeah, yeah. Because there's nobody trading those contracts. But
Oh, okay.
if it starts to rip, and that's the thing about Sphere contracts is they're really crazy. Like it's
Yeah.
like I don't know if it's manipulation or if it's just shareholders selling calls
Uh huh.
or what it is, and it's always been like that for me. But if you're buying Sphere calls, of course you should be in the. I mean, you're fine, especially if it starts to go, because those are the calls that you want.
Yeah.
When the ones nobody's buying, so you get them fucking cheap, and then when it rips.
Right.
So I don't know what. Like I said, I'm thinking about as soon as market opens, I might shave out some of this HUT profit. I'm thinking about going in with about 2,000 shares.
Spear.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's looking pretty good. The futures keep going up. They're up to 265 now
really.
on Dow. Nasdaq's at 97. S&P's at 31. So yeah, it's still moving up. Bitcoin and Ethereum are coming down, of course.
Of course.
But
Ford's going.
we'll see what happens when the market opens, though.
The spy's still 422.90, so I'm happy. As long as that thing stays up,
Yeah.
I don't care what anything else does. Tide. I still got 200 shares of that too. It's at 113. I'm up 3%.
Nice.
That's another low float mining company.
Titus.
26. Yeah, I think it's like 26 million shares on float, which is nothing.
No, that's not.
Oh, that's what I've been observing. Like I've been treating most of these mining companies or any stocks I buy basically like I would treat crypto. Buying something with low supply.
Yeah.
Hoping volume picks up, but with at least with securities, you know what I mean. Especially stuff that has been up in mining companies, because as long as they're holding Bitcoin, their share price should go up.
Right.
Regardless of shareholders. I mean, they of course they can sell it off, but still, at least it has something driving the price up, even if people start to sell.
Right.
But the bad part is if they start to sell and then Bitcoin starts to drop, it really starts to shit.
Right. Ah, shit. Hold on 1 second. My son left the
Hmm.
door open to where my dog's at, and she can hear me talking. So I'm gonna go shut the door. Hold on 1 second. Alrighty.
Zella missed earnings by $17 million.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's why I sold. I was like,
I don't see how things up at all.
hey, I'm nervous about Hut, and they only missed it by 400,000.
Yeah.
I tried to hold on. I mean, dude, it's just, it wasn't worth the risk of holding, whether it went up or not for
Oh
me
no,
at that point.
especially the way you put it in Hut, and Hut was ripping at the time.
Yeah, and I mean, and I bought the dip yesterday, so I bought the bottom of that dip yesterday, or what day was that?
Oh,
2 days ago?
even better. Yeah, I think so.
Or no,
Oh,
it
that
was
was
yesterday. It
yesterday.
was yesterday.
Yeah, I think it was
Yeah,
yesterday. Yeah.
because I was down $180, and I finished the day up $90.
Awesome.
So that was um, not a bad move.
No.
As long as I can get this profit from Hut. What I'm probably going to end up doing is I'm just going to take all the profit from market open, go ahead and take that out, and then probably just start trying to throw it in Sphere, just the profits or whatever. Because I'm up $400. That would give me
That's a good idea.
that would put me at like 1,200 shares maybe.
Damn.
Because I'm still holding 700, and I sold 300 shares of Sphere yesterday, and I put it back in Tide,
Right.
and I'm up five. I'm only up $5 on Tide. I don't know because I had 500 shares of Tide, so I sold all my Tide, all my Zella, and went all in on Hut.
Wow, it ended up being a good move.
Yeah, it's working out as long as I can get the hell out, before something stupid happens.
Yeah.
Because that's normally what I do. I'm like, it's gonna keep going.
Right. Right.
Thinking it's just gonna keep ripping. I don't know. There's nothing wrong with just taking the profit out.
No, especially if you take profit out. I mean, in the back of your mind you're still in the game too. So.
Hey, I'm still, I didn't take it all out, and then I'm putting it in something that's not up, like HUD is. So,
Right.
because I mean, it's nice, when you get to like, especially with Sphere. I mean, if you get 1,000 shares, that's $10 for every penny it moves.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Hut's up 27 cents.
Yeah, what am I total? 20.8%.
That's amazing. That's still going up after the like you said, earnings really weren't that bad. I mean, 400.
No, 400,000, man. I mean, you think about like if they could mine that in a week in Bitcoin, or I mean, in a month in Bitcoin.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
I didn't really look into Hut too much just because I know the stock. Like last year, man, it was one of the most reliable mining stocks, uh, other than Marathon and what's the other one? Shit, the main one. Hold on.
Oh,
Marathon and Riot.
Riot.
It didn't quite, it didn't get up there. I mean, Hut hit $16 before.
Man.
But I'm like trying to figure out my quickest road to 100,000.
Right.
So if I get, 2 or 3,000 shares of Sphere and it goes back to $10, that's 30 grand,
Yeah, that'd be nice, huh?
right? But I don't want to get too excited.
No.
That's always been my biggest downfall, is I get too pumped.
Uh.
I start turning into a moon boy again.
It's easy to do in
It is.
in this world.
I'm gonna tell you what, if I start getting like if this thing starts pumping and I start getting gain, because I mean like I've been trading with you basically in a down market this whole time.
Oh yeah, pretty much,
But
yeah.
like when I start getting really heavy gains, I
Uh-huh.
start getting a little bit ridiculous.
Yeah.
I'll be talking shit.
Oh yeah.
I
It's
love it. So what about my own like my Facebook group, man? Them some bitches don't say nothing anymore.
yeah. I don't know. I get some text
I'm like,
messages coming through, but
you look at, I'll be talking so
yeah.
much shit to them.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I see him. I see him. Yeah. I'll jump in there. I had an incredibly
I've seen,
crazy
I've
day
seen you
yesterday.
look. I don't expect. I mean, you don't have to say anything. The thing is, though, I've been in that. I made that group over a year ago when Doge was going, and everybody was trading and all this, and they all got butthurt because a lot of them didn't sell.
Oh
And
yeah.
and I told them. I think I told them Monday because that group's been stagnant, no messages or nothing for probably 8 months, and
Oh shit.
I sent a message Monday, and I was like, "Time to come back, guys."
There you go.
And the market's been going up since.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I was like, damn, I called that one, but they don't give a shit. They're too scared to buy. So
Right.
there's only one, maybe two people in that group out of I got 22 people I think in that group.
What's your name in there?
I don't even know anymore. I think it's Hans Yellow.
Okay. I figured that was you. I thought maybe that was you.
Yeah, and yeah, man. I mean, I wish that I could help them out. I wish that they didn't get scared, but I mean, I understand.
Yeah. Well, I tell you, I think that's a good sample size of what's going on in the whole world. To be
No, it
honest.
is. When you get 20 something people who were all in it, and we were messaging, 30 messages a day to each other and stuff, all talking shit to each other, hanging out, whatever, and then
Uh huh.
then they just quit because they got so butthurt. And so if you imagine that I'm the only, or me and one guy are the only one out of the 20 people
Yep.
that are still trading, so you could do the math on that with everybody in crypto.
Well, yeah, you can see it's like take that clear across YouTube. That's
Right.
exactly what's happened.
Hmm.
I guarantee it. I mean, I don't know if I was trading big or trading at all, and I got completely wiped out, I'd probably be like, F it for a while.
I lost the most money out of everybody.
Yeah.
And I'm still trading,
Yeah.
but I never gave a shit. I'm just like, and then the thing is like, any money that I lost was my own problem,
Yeah.
and but I understood that I didn't blame it on anything else.
Yeah. It's all your mind frame. It's all how you go about it. You can't just jump into something and those were also people that probably thought they were going to make an overnight success story, and they didn't, and then they were like, well, screw this, I can't make any money in crypto or
Right.
stocks or whatever they were in, and then you just end up losing them. Yeah, we're getting ready to find out here in a few seconds, few minutes. How it opens anyway. Now, how it opens and what happens in a few hours from now could be two different stories, but I've got a pretty good feeling it's going to be a pretty good day overall. I don't think we're going to see a pump and
Yeah.
dump. We might see a pump and a little pullback, but I don't think we're going to see a pump and dump.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, tell you,
10 seconds. Watch them options.
Spear's looking juicy. I will say that. I gotta get back
Here
on.
we go. before it fell. Oh, okay, it came back up. Damn.
Or go spear to 80 cents.
Ooh, spike up. Give it to me. Fuck yeah, that's. Hut's at 307 now. I'm up $400 pre-market. I mean open. Wow.
Holy shit.
All right, 500. Come on, hit 5, dude.
That's the bad thing about Robinhood. Robinhood doesn't update just real quickly.
Hell yeah, this took my profit at 306 on Hut.
Nice.
Now I'm going to put it in this one. It's $470. That's an awesome day and a half.
What the hell? My Zella option just fell to 1 penny.
Really?
And it's up 14 cents. I don't know. I've noticed Robinhood, it jumps around a lot.
It does.
It might just bounce up here in a second. I mean, you never know.
Oh shit, I got a phone call. I'll be back.
Yep. What's going on YouTube? You guys got anything going on? What's happening? What's up, EB? What's going on? How about that XRP? It was doing good. Yeah, it's at 38 too, doing good. XRP's rocking and rolling. Top of the morning to everybody out there on YouTube. Hope everybody's doing good. Market's just open. We're rocking and rolling. We're just checking out some different stocks here going on. Me and Squarefoot are currently in some Spear stock. He's in Spear stock. I'm in some Spear options. Doing very well in that. Some Zella. Zella's kind of iffy. It's doing so-so. Dogeman, what's going on, brother? Changed his logo. What up, fam? Top of the morning to ya. AMC and Doge to the moon. How about Doge? It's coming back down a little bit. I noticed AMC was up pre-market. Let's check it out. It's at 24.62, up 95 cents, almost closing in on a dollar. Hit $1, up $1 for AMC. Good for it. AMC GME was up as well. It's not up as much, but yeah, I don't know. It seems like to me a lot more people are into AMC than they are GME. I don't know if it's because it's a cheaper stock or what, but that's just the way it kind of seems. But yeah. But yeah, top of the morning to everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. Hopefully, If you guys got any trades you're getting into, I think this could be a glorious day in the stock market. Coming off some pretty good. Look at AMC go. AMC is running, boys. And gals, if there's any gals out there. Good for it. I'm not currently in AMC, but I am in Doge. But Doge is dropping. U.S. oil's at $93 a barrel. I believe that's up a little bit. Yeah, it's up a couple bucks. 230 to be exact. I thought it was closer to 90 last night. It was. Uh, Currently, we got Bitcoin and Ethereum both kind of declining just a little bit. They're both still pretty darn high, considering the last couple of weeks, anyways. Yeah, they're taking a little bit of a pullback, which is expected because they had a pretty good little run up there early this morning. And even cryptos like Doge, I mean, it had a hell of a pump. It pumped all the way up to 0.0755. So it was due for a little bit of a pullback. Well, now the question is, we'll see if they will continue the pullback all the way back down to where they began, or if if this is just a quick little reset and they go on to bigger and better things. That's all probably going to depend on what Bitcoin does here in the short term. I keep passing on what I'm doing. Okay. But yeah, so yeah, I don't know. Any of you guys out there on YouTube got anything going on? Hit that like and subscribe button if you don't mind. If you're stopping by, every time everybody hits one of those buttons, really helps me out in the algorithms. And feel free to chat away and put those cryptos in the chat that you guys are watching or looking into. Because every time a crypto is mentioned in my chat, it makes the YouTube algorithm think that we're talking about it. And we probably are if you're putting it in chat. So throw some cryptos in chat if you want to, and if you're bored, and we can either talk about them or just throw them a bone, throw them a mention, see what's going on out there, and all that helps my visibility, which I can already tell is up because I got people coming in here that never knew I existed. Hey, what's up, Luna? Cat Girl, yeah, that's fine. Just stuff like that. How's Cat Girl doing, by the way? Probably doing pretty good. If I had to guess. I do apologize, guys. I'm eating a little bit of a breakfast here. I didn't get a chance to eat before I came on air, so eating a little apple Danish. Pretty good.
Alright, I'm back for a second.
Yeah, what's up?
Whew. Let's see here. I'm up to 1,500 shares of Sphere.
It's just kind of hanging out at 80 cents. It's not doing much, but
Yeah, I got out of my Tide. I don't know. I hate to miss out on that because when it goes, it can go, but whatever. RSI on HUD 8 on 5 minutes at 85. I don't know what I want to do. Should I take more?
85 is pretty high, isn't it?
Yeah, let's see what the 1 hour looks like.
I was going to say, pull back.
Push the 1 hour to 80, so yeah. Let's see, I think I'm going to drop another 150 shares.
Oh, yeah, Zilla just jumped.
Did it?
Well, my option
What's
did.
it 148? Oh, okay.
It went from it went from 18 cents to $1.03. I'm up 101%.
Okay, now I'm down to 500 shares of HUT. So, yeah, that's what's up. Now,
I don't know what to do about my solo.
I mean, it's shit, dude.
I
It's
bought in for 52 cents and it's worth $1.03 right now.
really.
Yeah. I got 3 contracts. That's Zella scares me more than Spear does.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, it's hard not to try to take that. It's a $153 profit. What's
All
up?
right, 2,000 shares.
Spear.
Yep, I'm in. Even though it's whatever. Let's see where it goes. The HUT. I mean, so I still got 500 shares of HUT. I mean, it can keep on going. I'm not gonna sell that. Or it can, if it comes down, that still leaves me up. I'm still up 280 bucks on that position, so I'm up 23%.
So I've not followed Spear like you have, but I'm guessing it's probably kind of a slow mover because of the volume.
Yeah, it's just basically because because of the volume, there's nobody buying. But
Right.
once they start, it's ridiculous.
Okay.
So whenever somebody does buy in, or what's the volume at? Yeah, 225,000 is nothing.
That's what's
When
at
I
right
was
now.
yeah, when it was ripping and really trading, it was trading I don't know, around 20, 30 million shares a day.
Oh shit!
Yeah, when it was actually trading really heavily.
Wow. Really though, for the average, it's that's basically above average. I mean, we're only ten
Yeah, if
minutes
I
in.
only hit a million shares traded yesterday, which was awesome
I mean,
to
we're
see.
only 10 minutes in, and it's almost a fifth of the way there.
Hmm.
I don't know. The only thing is I got my Zillow. I got my Zillow through March 17th also.
I mean, how much you holding in it?
I got three contracts at 52 cents a piece. So I got
All right,
150 in it.
150 bucks in it. Yeah, shit. That's a pretty good risk reward.
Yeah.
Damn, HUD hit 309. Of course, it keeps going. Woo!
Jeez.
That's cool with me. I don't care.
Oh yeah.
It's whatever. Still got 500
I was
shares.
gonna say
Might
you're
as
still in
well.
it, aren't you?
Yeah,
Well,
I
hell
just sold.
yeah.
See, I had 200 shares yesterday, and then I bumped it up to 400, and then I don't know, it was just looking good, So I was like, you know what, I'm selling out, and then I bumped it up to 800 shares.
I
So
remember.
now
Yeah, I
I'm at
remember you saying.
500 shares, and I'm still up 300 bucks, And now, and my sphere position was only 1,000, and I basically doubled my sphere position with my profit. So,
Nice.
and ended up with 100 more shares of HUT. And I mean, my average on sphere is still seven. Now it's at 77.
Hmm.
I'm happy.
Well, yeah. I can imagine.
100 more bucks, and I'll have made back my Kucoin losses.
Nice. Come on, Bitcoin. You know you want to get up there.
I just don't want to get too greedy.
No. Well, you're not, and that shows it by getting out of
Selling some of my
hut.
hut,
Yeah, selling some of your hut and reinvesting
even though
the
it's going
profits.
up. Damn, of course, Cryptide, I just pulled my position out and it goes up 5%.
Oh.
It's just, man, with that
Yeah,
one, I mean,
the
I
thing
don't
is,
know a whole lot about it.
the thing is, though, everything's pumping right now, so it's kind of hard to be like, you know,
Yeah, except for
oh,
Spheres sitting there.
yeah, it is just kind of sitting there.
Yep, 117. Damn. Because I watched Tide go from 98 cents to $1.76 in about 5 minutes the other day.
Holy cow.
Yeah. Oh, Hut's at 318. Look at that.
Yeah.
Damn, I'm almost back up to $400 profit. I took 400 earlier.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Wow.
May not be bad, just keep taking profits and reinvesting in them.
I mean, profit's profit,
Yeah. Or leave it
321. Oh
every
my God.
every time leave an extra 100 in there. So then you got 600, take out profits, and then
Dude,
you got 700.
320. It won't stop. 323. Wow. And that's why you don't sell your whole bag.
Yeah. No, that's absolutely correct. It is freaking pumping. Look at that. Look at the volume though. It's got a lot of volume.
It's already got almost 4 million. 15 minutes in.
Wow,
Sphere being a little bit behind. I feel like if yeah, it ought to be all right.
trading view is way behind on volume.
The thing is now is that if Sphere does go, it will outweigh what I missed on this profit from Hut.
Right. If it
Tenfold.
really, yeah, if it spikes.
Yeah, I mean, I'll yeah. Even if it goes, I mean, shit. If it goes to,
There goes
you know,
Spear.
did it go up a little?
Almost 82. Or 81 now. 81.7 or 81.75.
Yeah. So I mean, every penny that Sphere moves, I make $20.
Yeah.
So I mean,
Hell
if it,
yeah.
yeah, I know, right? So
Yeah.
I was like, I'm gonna try to play that one out because I feel like Hut, even with there's Spheres keeps going.
There we go.
See, this interferes with my job.
I can imagine. Like, how in the hell do you go lay tile right now?
I know. It's like that. I mean, I'm up $450 this morning.
Yeah, if you make $200 every day, it's like 67,000 a year.
Really?
Yeah, $200 every day of the year, is equals out to 67,000 a year. And the crazy thing is, that's very attainable.
Yeah, it is.
Just $200.
There we go. Almost 83 cents. Come on, girl. Now I'm up $100 on Sphere. That's what's up.
Hell yeah. I just like looking down and all my options are green. I like that.
Right?
That's a good feeling.
I wanted to get into options, but I knew that
I know why you didn't, but
yeah, exactly. Because I'm trying to play the right. It's not that I don't know what I'm doing or nothing. It's just I want to. When I get to options, I want to make sure that it's all profit that goes
yeah,
into options
yeah.
plays, not any of my own money.
Well, the difference is I didn't have the dry powder that you did at the time, so it was a way
Yeah,
for me to get in a little bit bigger with less money. And I
right.
was they were relatively pretty good price, I thought, for the time that I got.
Yeah, true.
Most of them are all the way out through March 17th. So hell, That's
Damn, Hut. 328. 21% today. I'm up 33%.
oh my gosh.
God,
Spear
this fucker
Spears
sticks,
almost,
man.
yeah, but Spears almost at 83, so it's ticking to now.
I just hit 500 on the day.
Zealot's going up a little bit.
I'm up $739 from Monday.
Hell yeah. You got a big job today?
I just got to finish some stuff. I really need to put that money back in my account. So I really got to finish them. But it's nothing I'm too concerned about. I mean, it's not that it's not a lot of work, but
Yeah.
you know,
Basically, you got to finish it to get paid.
yes, and to pay everybody else too.
Right. I got you. Well, the problem is in your line of work is you probably got to pay for everything up front. Do you get lines of credit anywhere?
No, I'm solely cash.
Really?
Yeah, I pay for everything, all labor, no credit.
I guess
Been
that's
doing it that way for.
I guess that's
I just
probably
don't
the
like
best.
credit, man, because I just, I already stressed out about the job. I couldn't imagine owing a shit ton of money.
Yeah. Yeah. That's well, you're safe that way.
There's fear, 831.
That way, when you finish a job, you know it's all your money. You don't have to worry about, well, if I spend this money, then I'm actually spending the money I need to be paying my supplier and
Right.
all that
Other
shit.
than labor.
Yeah. You're 1 hour behind me, right?
Yeah, it's 852 here.
Yeah. Okay.
I cannot believe that Hut 8 gapped up on bad earnings.
I know. It tells you how strong the market is, I guess.
Yeah. Or how strong Bitcoin is.
Yeah, well, that's the other thing. Bitcoin and Ethereum both are starting to go up.
And see, so if I take 100 more shares of Hut
Yeah.
out, that puts me back to my regular position. And then I could buy back into Zella with 100% profit.
It's going up too.
Yeah, it is. I just don't know, man. I mean, it's fucking that gap down. I mean, the thing is Zella should be in anywhere from $3 to $4 right now.
Really?
Yeah. So if it has a gap up, that's what I was trying to play. And the fucking RSI on the daily just went bullish too on Zella. Hmm.
On the daily, it did?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I know the 10 minutes looking juicy.
Damn, that's tempting.
Jeez, you gotta see the 1 hour candle on Zella. Fuck. It's got some really good volume too.
Oh yeah, it's just straight gap up. It filled the gap and some. It's just got to fill one more gap up to a dollar. Let's see, $1.62. Yeah, I don't know, man. I mean, I feel pretty good about where I'm sitting,
Yeah, you should be.
and I still got $90 left of buying power on top of that, which is
Yeah.
crazy because normally I'm an all-in investor, which I know that's not a good thing.
Man, Zella it even looks good on the daily or the hourly.
Hmm. Damn.
Volume's already a third of what the average is.
The SPY's back at 423.30.
Yeah. Spirit's about ready to hit 83. It's moving nice and methodically.
Oh, volume's picking up though. 461,000 shares. That's normally about what it trades per day, and it's only been trading for not even 30 minutes.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
that's good. That's what we want to see.
Gotta have that volume to push it. Hells yeah.
Days like this, man, I hate going to work.
Yeah.
That's the worst part about trading stocks, like, and being out of crypto, is that, you know, trading during the day while you're trying to juggle your job is a fucking nightmare.
Yeah. I can only imagine.
But I mean, I could hold. I just want to, if I feel good that the market's for sure going up, and I mean, I don't care. I just leave it alone.
Yeah.
But the market that we've been having, it's kind of hard to just be like to the moon.
Yeah.
But shit, $700 a week. That's the best I've done in a long time.
It's pretty damn good.
Yeah. And 500 of it's almost today.
Yeah.
I'm at 490 on the day. There we go. Man, Hut is just not giving a shit. What to do?
I can see surely we'll have some kind of a pullback here. It may be a couple hours, but
Whew. Luckily, I have two guys here to do the job before me. So
oh, they are.
yeah, it's not just me. So.
Are they already there working?
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
What are we gonna do? Freaking me out. Oh, I mean, the thing is with Sphere, I mean, like I said, it's, Hut, let's see, like you compare with Hut and all the other mining stocks, the last month, Hut's up 123%, Sphere's up 28%.
Right.
So the pullback on Sphere for me isn't going to be as bad as the pullback on Hut if it occurs.
Yeah.
So I don't know. And I also have less in Sphere than I had in Hut initially.
Correct.
Because at one point, Sphere and Hut were trading within like 50 cents of each other.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Honestly, if I don't know how I would feel about Sphere if I hadn't been trading it for well over a year now. It's
Right.
just like I know the stock, I know how it can be, and
Mm.
like I'm really just banking on them coming out with those miners, man. If they don't, then I mean, I guess I'll just you know sell it.
Yeah.
Three 325. That is insane. Oh, 323.40 on the spot. Come on. Keep going. Give me 324. Give me 324. I could probably hang for like 10 more minutes and I'm going to get the hell out of here.
Gotcha.
Damn, Bed Bath & Beyond. 1135.
Is it up today?
Yeah, it's up 8%. AMC's at 25.36.
Yeah, I saw that.
Dude, everything's up. Damn, Snapchat 11.29. That's up 6% too. This is crazy.
I know. Yeah, pretty much everything's up.
Whew.
Need Bitcoin to keep going up. Let's open.
I mean, it's, it's holding itself up. 330 hut. Oh my God. What are you doing?
Jeez.
I would take 500 shares out.
Good problems to have. Good problems to have.
That's the name of the game. We always talk about it. You sell some and then it just rips.
Oh, yeah.
But it's
Inevitably.
like, I don't know. I'm not, I'm notorious for not taking profit and being greedy as hell. So,
Well, the good thing is you're leaving some in there so you're still in the game. So you can do what you're doing.
yeah, I mean, shit, if it goes back to, $10, that's $5 grand. I mean, shit, it's a $1,600 position.
Yeah.
I have the same amount of money in Sphere as I do HUT. They're equal in value.
And, I mean, Spear's going up. It's just not going up as quickly. It's kind of methodically
This,
going up. But,
yeah, the volume's just not there, like I said. But I'm telling you, man, if all the investors that got sour about the merger not happening, the ones that were in before,
yeah.
if they come back on news that they actually got all the miners and installed,
Uh-huh.
this fucker it's gonna be obnoxious.
Would you say that was supposed to be the end of August?
Yeah, that's what they said, and they're ironically their earnings are on the 23rd, so I'm kind of hoping that they're going to announce it in earnings.
Oh, yeah. That'd be perfect, wouldn't it?
Right, prime. And then I'm also hoping that we're going to start seeing a little bit of volume buying in right before earnings. I mean, it's just not going to take a whole lot of volume to move it.
Right.
Because I mean, if we go up 20%, we're above $1, which means that we're cleared the Nasdaq penalty or the warning.
It's on its way. How long do they have? They got till,
They just put that out, didn't it?
yeah, they had 3 months. So I think September or something.
Yeah, they give you 90 days. I thought. Damn, AMC, 20. That's almost $26.
Damn.
I'm glad to see all the stuff on my list squeezing.
Hell yeah. Nice little change,
Except,
isn't it?
except for Sphere. Hoping it's worth the wait though.
Yeah, it's just not, like you said, it's just not getting the volume right now.
Yeah, 500,000 shares though, man, traded. But the first 30 minutes, because I mean its average volume's 972,000 a day.
So it's more than halfway there already in the first, half hour.
First 30 minutes, yeah.
So it's
So,
actually, volume is actually pretty good,
hmm
which is a great sign.
the 52-week high is 1198. So
Oh my God.
I know, right? And like five years ago, it was trading around $40.
Oh goodness.
So and that's why they completely redid the company. And as long as the float doesn't change, we don't get a reverse split. Which I mean, a reverse split, yeah, would take it up higher. But then of course, I would have less shares.
Right.
But if we can keep the float like it is, and then go back, and and then the company completely changes because it's normally a data solutions company.
Yeah.
And but if we start, I think they're going to maintain doing that while mining Bitcoin.
Oh,
So
okay.
that I mean dude, it should work. There's some analysis on what was I reading? Business Insider, and they rate it as a buy, and the average target price is $10 a share.
Oh boy.
So
I mean,
fuck it.
really, like on the as far as the earnings call, the earnings shouldn't be that bad, should they? It
No,
doesn't sound like they have like a shit ton of overhead or anything.
they don't have any debt.
Oh wow.
Yeah, according to what I read earlier. Now, I mean
Yeah.
that was from the last quarter. So, but I mean the thing is they've doubled their position in Bitcoin. Bitcoin's gone up since then.
Yeah.
I mean they've been accumulating it, and they're mining. So, I mean, shit, I don't know, man. That's whatever.
I mean, if they're mining a half a Bitcoin a day, shit, that's what, 3 or 4 Bitcoin a week.
Hmm.
I mean, that's that's nothing to shake your head at.
And that's only with like 1/3 of their potential capacity of mining.
Yeah. So if they start mining 20
Four
Bitcoin a day
Spiders hit
or a
424.
week, oh shit, yeah, I did.
Bitcoin's about to pop. Spy hit 424. I bet you. What are we going to? 25, 5.
It's going up, yeah. I'm keeping an eye on it. It's moving.
Damn, I want to take some more profit out of Hut.
Well,
I mean, shit, dude, it's up. What is it up to? 19% right now. I mean,
you gotta think what goes up must come down, so it's probably
because I would definitely enjoy having a little cash sitting on the side at this point.
it never hurts. Never hurts at all. Or you can reinvest it.
True.
Spear is coming down a little bit. Just a shade.
Let me look at the order book on Sphere. Let's see where the buys are, if there's any.
I mean, if Spear goes up 6 cents every day, I'd be alright with that.
Looks like somebody's trying to keep the share price down. That's what's going on. All right, so there's 10,000 shares for sale at 82 cents, and there's only 500 to buy on the bid at 81.
Huh.
So that's messing it up.
Why would they be trying to keep it down?
It's shorted really fat.
Really?
Yeah, it was a short. Matt Kors used to put it on his channel when it popped. When I first like it, if it popped, it actually made it on the Meme Boys channel.
Wow.
So because the short interest is so fucking high. So I mean, it has every bit of potential to short squeeze if we can make it pass. So if we can enough people just come in and buy the shit,
Yeah.
man. Oh man, it'll make you throw up. It'll be so juicy.
Wow. That would be a good throw up.
Yeah.
Yeah, there goes Zella. Come on, Zella. Keep going, baby.
157.
Yeah.
Really? God, I hate to buy that shit right here. As bad as I want to.
159? The hell?
Really?
It just spiked up to 159. It came back down to 157, but
If it breaks 162, I might FOMO in. Because that's resistance.
gotcha.
I mean, I can't be jealous or nothing. I mean, shit's going. I've benefited from whatever positions I've played so far.
Right, right, right. Yeah, it's not like you took it out of one that was doing good and put it into one that was tanking.
Right.
So yeah, I mean, anytime you take any profit's good profit.
Yeah. And Sphere sitting exactly where I bought it. So,
Right.
and I still got my average is still 77, so still above my average. Hell, that last red day we had, Sphere was green the whole day.
Huh.
Just sat there. It's because it's no volume. Nobody's selling. I mean, it's already shorted. You know what I mean? To the point. I mean, people have been holding the shorts, but shit, I don't know. At least it. I guess I can't confidently say that it's still heavily shorted. Just judging by the level two, it looks to me like it's a
Yeah.
little bit of a manipulation, which is fine.
Man,
It's just that
I would have a hard time shorting a stock this low
well, I mean, they've been shorting it since $10.
or crypto. Oh, I got you.
424.22.
Yep.
She'll pop. It's funny. We're all excited about the spy. It's only up 1%.
It's better than being down 1%.
Hmm. Man, this Cryptide is starting to make me want to jump back in real quick.
Really.
Yeah, it's 119 now. Sold at 110. 120, you fucker.
Well, like I said, you just got to remember everything's pumping today, so it's not like you're whatever you got out of and got back in, got into something
Yeah.
else. It's
It's just a low volume like Sphere is.
except Spear.
Sphere is one of those ones though that just go poof. It just goes up
Yeah,
instantly.
yeah.
Because one big buy, man, all it takes is one big buy, and the sucker's gonna rip.
Hmm.
It's just lagging a lot harder than I anticipated it. Like, damn, Coinbase actually fell. So did Cipher Mining.
Coinbase probably fell because based on their freaking earnings were terrible.
Yeah,
What did it say? Lost $1 billion, which I don't know how in the hell you do that.
yeah. Like, how do you fuck that up?
Yeah, I gave him
All those
half.
trading
I
fees.
gave him half that in trading fees
I swear.
before I found Coinbase Pro. Yeah, and hell, I got that on top of it. Coinbase Pro. It's got to be part of it. I would think. It could be a separate entity, I guess, but Zella 159.
So June 29, Cryptide was at $6.30.
It's at what now?
$1.18.
Jeez. What caused that
Because it,
to fall off so
it
quick?
it was a spinoff from BBIG company, and
Oh, you told me that, yeah.
yeah, and then it just fell. And that's what's kind of got me like, do I really want to be in it, or do I wait? Do I risk it? Do I go back in at $6, or do I fucking get in now and or just say fuck? I mean, I watch, you know,
Hmm.
all this
Yeah.
shit squeeze daily. I fucking watch so many stocks go up now. It's like whatever.
So,
Damn, $1.60, Zella, you son of a gun.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. This is only because. Damn, should I do
It's at half its volume already, and it's only 10:14. It's only been open for 45 minutes. It's at half of volume.
It's at half the volume and it's up 19%.
I mean, it's
Mm.
half the daily average,
Yeah, yeah.
and we're only 45 minutes into the day.
Jeez. I just really wanted to be in Zella. I did not think it was gonna pop this morning like that.
Especially after the earnings you said it had.
Yeah, it was dog shit. Which they made it sound like it was phenomenal, but on paper it was terrible.
Right.
It's just hard for me to pull out of something I'm up so good on to put it in something that's up 20%.
Oh, yeah, no, I know.
Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. 26 AMC. $424.50 spot.
That damn thing's going to hit 425.
It's looking like it. 62 cents. Come on. Boy, the market's reacting like a motherfucker, aren't they?
Yeah.
God. Oil is coming back down a little bit. It's funny because OP still at $1.64.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Everything else in the world is pumping except for OP. Yeah.
And Sphere.
Yeah.
123 tied. Damn it. I hate I sold that. I mean, I didn't have a whole lot of it, you know. I just don't want it to freaking rip like I thought it was going to, because then, like, what cost me $200 cost me $600, you know.
Yeah.
$1.2 million shares traded on Tide, averages 8 million. Hmm. It says 124. Man, fuck it. I sold another 100 shares of that.
Of HUD 8?
Yeah, I still got 400 shares. That's
Yeah.
and I mean, I can't lose a bunch of money on it, so whatever. Oh, I can actually get a lot more on this. Okay. Yeah. Well,
Hmm.
all right, I'm back in again. I sold out, bought in 10 cents higher.
In what?
Tide.
Oh, okay.
So now I got 300 shares of Tide. And with that low float, I mean, I don't know where it could go, but I'm definitely not more comfortable having any more than that.
Yeah.
So, because the potential upside with that low float is pretty good, and yeah, potential downside is below $1, so I'm not really trying to risk so much. Worst case, I lose 20% of $350.
Right. You're in a pretty good position.
I'm still at the top though. Like I haven't lost barely any at all just from selling and buying like I have been. My chart's still at the top. Oh, HUD came down after I sold. That's nice. So,
Do you have to worry about day trading at all?
yeah, but I haven't sold anything that I've bought today. So,
Rebought, yeah. Well, you got what, 4 or 5 times you can do it
yeah, 4 times a week.
a week. Yeah.
I got flagged one time, man, and that's what
That's
really lost me all my money.
oh,
Just
that's what you
because
said. You were locked. Yeah, you couldn't do anymore.
I got stuck, and I didn't know that I didn't know that I couldn't. I thought I had a day trade left, and I didn't, and then it flagged me, and then I had to spend 90 days without it, and then so I had to learn how to trade with and bank on not getting out.
Oh, that'd be scary.
Yeah, tell me about it. That's what lost me all my money.
Yeah.
Cool, come on now, Hut. Damn, that was a good sell.
HUD's coming down.
A little bit. It's at 319. I just sold. I dumped another 100 at 327.
Nice.
I just need Bitcoin to go.
It's coming back down now.
Man, Sphere is just looking like God. I know. I swear people got to buy in. I just don't want to be scared of it. I've waited this long to get back in this damn stock.
Yeah, what's up, KRS? Sorry, I just saw your chat. I don't know, for some reason I was clicked off of it. He said keep an eye on ETH. They rolled out the first part of ETH 2. I heard that.
Cool.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yo, let's just
Yeah.
jump.
What's
Yeah.
up?
What's up?
What's happening?
Not a lot. Yeah, ETH rolled out its first part CSS of ETH 2.0, so it might be hitting September.
You would come in as soon as I gotta get out of here.
I've been listening to you guys for like 10 minutes, but I had to like
Hey,
do my morning shit 20 minutes or so.
I,
Gotcha. Yeah, we're just watching a couple different stocks.
Yeah, I like listening to you guys because this is all, I mean, it's new shit to me that I understand what you're talking about.
Right.
yeah, stock trading is exciting, dude, in the morning.
It is, especially that opening bell.
Especially, yeah, and then when you got, the market trying to be bullish, it's exciting. Because not only does it affect crypto,
Hell yeah.
but everything I own is in Bitcoin mining, so I'm basically in it.
Bitcoin's taking a big dump right now.
I saw HUD 8.
Yeah, man, I freaking scored on that sucker. I dumped half my position this morning
Nice.
and put it into. Oh, look, I'm up $3 on Tide. What do you know?
Do you think Coinbase's earnings are from crypto loss? Because you can claim it as a loss, but you can never claim it as an income.
I think it's from probably them potentially paying back people from being hacked and hackers taking coins from them. because scammers got over $1 billion worth of coins this year.
Yeah, I know that. I knew that, but I didn't know if they paid you back or if they didn't.
It just depends. I mean, I'm sure if you're a long time holder and been with them and hold huge positions, I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's not insured, but I'm sure that they don't want to lose people who own 50 Bitcoin, you know.
Right.
And if they only got to give them back 2 or 3, then you know it's worth them not pulling it off of their
Right.
exchange.
Mm-hmm. And plus, that word gets out, then they're going to lose a lot more than that, too.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like saving face, kind of like, damn, Bitcoin, quit. We really need you to stay up here.
Tesla, I saw Elon sold his biggest amount of shares after he said during the shareholder meeting that he wasn't going to.
I saw that.
$75 million worth.
Shit, just the other day he sold a bunch, didn't he?
Yeah, I think we're talking about the same.
Oh, okay.
Literally like a week after the shareholder meeting. I'm going to hold my Tesla stock. I'm not selling it. A week later. Hold half of it.
What was his reasoning for selling it, did he say?
I honestly think it's to help with this Twitter bullshit.
I wondered if he needed some liquidity.
Yeah.
Probably.
He needed some liquid cash for something. Is he going to just pay him off and be done with it, you think?
I have no idea. The article really didn't say. It just said that he sold it.
Huh.
God, dude, if we get one more good pump, if something happens, I'm going to have $1,000 a day.
Sell everything! Sell everything, get out.
Understand, take a break. Reset your mind.
I got to go to work.
Perfect.
Yeah. He's got to go lay some tile.
But the thing is like this is mainly my long-term bag. I've just been trying to set myself up in a good enough position, you know. And yeah. So I mean, HUD 8 basically set me up really good. Thank God.
Yeah, you got you a good one there. I'm not gonna say lucked in because I know you did your research, but you got into a good one there. Zella's starting to come back down.
Yeah, I didn't buy it.
AMC is pumping. Enphase Energy is pumping.
Oh no, man. I
Yeah.
saw AMC at 26.
Bella, of course, GE,
Everything was pumping there for a while. I guess it still kind of is, except for Tesla.
Dude, I'm telling everybody, check out Enphase Energy. I'm up like 3,000% on this fucking stock.
Yeah, that's me, Kevin. He's big on Enphase. Shit. Well, I gotta get out of here, guys.
All right, brother. Yep,
I will be back and forth in Discord and shit, I'm sure, throughout the day. If I get some real gains, I'll be all cocky posting gifts in there.
Oh, I guarantee it. I can't
We're
wait.
talking about Clean Sparks up 50% this week.
I know, man. I've been watching it since you told me.
Yeah.
I just wait. I thought about buying into it, but yesterday it ripped up like 25%, and I was like, no. Because I was already in HUT. I just.
I mean, they're all going to be taking off right now.
Yeah. But if Sphere and Tide go up like I think they will, I'm going to fucking make me a good 20,000 off this bad boy, hopefully.
I'll be sitting pretty if Spear goes up.
Yes, you will.
That's awesome.
Need the volume, man. We just got to get the people back in. 684,000 though in volume now.
That's 2/3 of the daily average.
Yeah, the average is 972. It's at 684.
Yeah, it's 3/4 or 2/3. Nice. That's what we want.
And so, oh yeah, they're buying them. It looks like, let's see, somebody keeps putting in the shares though to sell. Somebody does not want this shit to go up.
Yeah, it's back down to almost 81.
But if we can make it past, all we got to do is go past 83, and I think we'll be able to rip
Yeah.
probably to about 90 cents, depending, But as it starts to rip, people are going to start moving the sell orders.
Right.
So yeah.
Let's go 83.
Let's do it.
When's Tide's earning reports come out?
It doesn't even have one yet.
Okay.
Because it just came out like a month ago. It just spin off, because it's a spin off. I guess you could say it's not a SPAC. It belonged to BBIG, and they split it off in its own separate company.
What's up with Wendy's being all over fucking Wall Street bets?
What?
What's up with Wendy's being all over Wall Street bets?
Just cause, man, Wendy's tendies, because when you lose all your tendies, you go to work at Wendy's. That's the thing. It's like I'm either gonna be a millionaire or I'm gonna be freaking serving at Wendy's.
That's awesome.
Heard that. Go broke.
That's the whole bet. Yeah, go broke. I've already done that once, so I don't really want to do that again.
Yeah, but you got skill. You'll be all right. No Wendy tendies.
No Wendy's to this guy.
No Wendy tendies.
I swear, I'm almost tempted to just cut my whole hut position.
Is it still going down?
I mean, it's at 314. It's not that I think it's gonna drop. It's just, I mean, dude, I made $500 off of it since yesterday, so I'm just like,
it's okay to chill out.
Oh, it is. But the thing is like weighing out if you're gonna chill out too early.
Yeah, I get that.
Because the thing is, the SPY is just crossed a resistance, so, and Bitcoin still hasn't made it to 28,000 yet.
Well, you also got to keep in mind at what point are those bad earnings going to catch up with it?
Dude, I don't think anybody cares, honestly.
Well, obviously they don't yet.
You only missed it by 400 grand.
True. It's not. I mean, in the big scale of things, I'm not sure what we're talking about, what they usually do, but 400 grand is probably not much to them.
Well, you can click on let's see, on the earnings here. What is it?
Oh yeah.
Reported revenue was 34 million. And when you're talking $34 million and you only missed it by 400K, I mean.
Oh shit! Yeah, that's okay. So that's why it's not affecting it much.
So yeah, I mean, I don't think they care.
No.
I'm just going to be patient with Sphere though, because I mean the thing is that this fucker will pay off. I might be having to watch a bunch of shit go up, but if it does go up, if it doesn't, whatever. But for me, it's the best play I got.
Well, I mean, it's up 6 cents today. I mean, fuck, I take that every day.
Yeah.
If it goes up, I don't care if it's slow and methodical. If it goes up 6 cents every day, I'll be a happy camper.
Yeah. But when it pops, it's going to jump like, 100% a day.
Right.
It's gonna get halted. Like I was trading at one time, or during one pump, it got halted 4 times.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I can see Spear being one of those that go up 4, 5, 6 cents a day for a while, and then all of a sudden it's going to start catching people's eye, and then it's going to just go poof.
Oh, if it breaks $1, it's on.
Yeah. Wait, if it hit, just start throwing it into Wall Street bets.
Oh, it's already been in there.
Right.
It was in there last year. It just when I was trading it, that's where I've been bullish on it the whole time. I never left it alone. But it's like I was telling Lep, I woke up at like 2:30 this morning, and I've been reading their financials all morning.
Damn.
And so that's the reason I wanted to make that play. I texted Lep at like 4:00 this morning. I was like, dude, I think I'm gonna go in really heavy.
Is that what time it was? I just saw it when I got up at like 7.
Yeah. I didn't know if you'd be up or not, but I had to just tell somebody.
Well, it's all right. Text anytime.
He'll see it when he sees it.
Yeah, I'll see it when I get up.
So now on 2,000 shares of Sphere.
That's what's up, though.
And if it goes back to $10, that's $20K.
Well, it's going back up now, so.
I'm really not that scared of it, to be honest with you. I'm more scared of losing my gains from Hut than I am losing big time on Sphere.
Yeah.
Because I know what it's worth. I mean, it's worth a lot of fucking money, and then it's just everybody's forgot about it, but they'll remember.
Crude, have you ever talked about anything besides yourself?
Who?
Crude Red.
No, I know you're talking.
Is Crude in here?
Fuck yeah, I just thought I'd say that.
No.
He doesn't deserve
No.
my time or my thought process, but I just thought I'd throw that out there.
He likes himself.
You think?
1.7 million in 27 hours. Well,
And then you forgot the second part, which is pretty
Oh
mature.
yeah.
Which is
Sweet.
really mature for somebody that has millions of dollars.
Nobody cares, dude. Not one person. Maybe you can take that money and pay for some people who care to listen to your shit.
Oh. Catch me in the morning, I'm a little more feisty.
You're right. Not as many people in here. We just start being rude.
That's the other reason. Well, that and I really don't give a fuck.
Yeah. Oh, I can be a fucking total piece of shit. But when you're shitting on a turd, it still smells. So it doesn't really matter.
You get to the point where you let something go on for so long, and you just get tired of it.
Yeah. But you can come here as much as you want, man. If you want to get talk shit to, then, that's whatever you want to do, bud.
Yeah. To each their own. Opinions are like assholes. Everybody's got one.
We got Luna in here, so I mean.
Yeah, right.
Yep.
But at least Luna doesn't brag about money he probably ain't got.
Luna is his own bird, but he doesn't like. I don't know. He's shitty, but he's elegant about it.
Right.
But then he's kind of nice about it. And then he kind of comes full circle. I don't know.
Yeah.
I can't explain Luna. I can't put my finger on him, but. Morning shows are definitely different than night shows. I will tell you that.
Yeah.
KRS, we got bombarded yesterday morning. I was on here
That's what Ape was saying.
by a bunch of fucktards. Yeah, thank God I had an Ape in here. He was blocking them and dishing them out before I could even hardly see them.
I know. I jumped in. I saw all these hidden messages. I was like, what?
Yeah. Finally, I said, hey, you guys can keep making it, because they were bragging about they had 100 accounts and they could just keep bombarding us. I was like, that's
Right.
fine. You keep bombarding us. Once you get through your 100, then it's going to start taking you 10 to 20 seconds to make a new account, and it takes me 1 second to hit a button. So we can just do this all fucking day long, I said. Never heard another word from them. I said, plus, there's 3 people in here. Why are you guys having so much fun blowing my channel up when you could be having a lot more fun screwing with somebody that's got 1,000 viewers?
Yeah.
Right, because with all the when they have that many people in chat, nobody pays attention to their shitty comments.
That, or they get blocked so fast that nobody even sees what's going on.
Yeah, like you get in Matt Core's channel, man. He's got like fucking 100 people, 100 mods. Like you ain't even get through there.
Yeah, I was talking about that with Ape. I was like, I always thought we had a lot of mods, and then he's like talking. He's like, no, man, we don't even have enough. Because he was talking about how you can bombard with when shit gets going.
Yeah.
Well, shit. I gotta roll, guys. I will be
All right,
talking to y'all
brother.
probably throughout the day.
Yep, I'll be on to what is tonight? Thursday. I'll be on later tonight.
All right. I'll see you.
All right, later, bro.
Later.
Peace. Pretty cool to wake up and listen to you guys.
Yeah, it's fun. I kind of enjoy doing morning shows every once in a while. It's a little different. and talk a little bit more about stocks than crypto. Man, Bitcoin is dropping like a rock.
Anchor's fucking taking off. Anchor and Unify.
Really?
I can't believe fucking Ethereum's 1900.
I know.
I was just looking at my Coinbase Pro buys, and I bought Ethereum all the way through July. My lowest buy ever, July 11th, $1,000.
Oh my gosh. And I heard to believe.
About 1,090.
I mean, I vividly can remember trading it at 1100.
Yeah, I have 1159 buy, 1130 buy, 1102 buy, 1190 buy. And then I have a 1425 sell, a 1330 buy. Been good to me.
Nice. Very nice.
I picked up on the 1st of August for 33 cents a bunch of Algorand too. Forgot about that.
Oh yeah, that's a real good buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm big on algo. My God, Bitcoin. It's not good for everything for it to drop like that.
2,500. What was it? Did it ever
It's at
tap
24.
25?
If it did, it was real close. Yeah, no, I don't think it did.
24,904.
Yeah, it was close.
I mean, the RSI on the hourlies reset. We're up there. This is our trend level. This is the level of where it fell hard
Yeah.
on June 14th. 13th and 14th. This is pretty big resistance. This will be cool for crypto.
Yeah.
Get ready for your channel to take a fucking another jump.
Yeah. Yeah, especially if this thing turns around here. Spies at 423. That's down a tick too.
I do notice in my Coinbase Pro portfolio there's a new button that says transfer all.
Transfer all?
Yeah, it's probably to transfer it all over to Coinbase One.
Is that because they're getting ready to transition over probably?
Yeah. Have you noticed on the regular Coinbase app it's got the pro trading or advanced trading or some shit?
No, that's what they're going to call it, isn't it, I think?
Well, I can go into my settings on Coinbase and get the Coinbase One or whatever for free for a month, so I don't know what they're going to call it yet.
Huh.
There's advanced and then there's the Coinbase One or whatever. I'm not. It's Coinbase something. I gotta find it again.
It's supposedly supposed to be the same as Coinbase Pro, so we'll see. As far
Yeah,
as
it's Coinbase. Coinbase One. If you go into your setting, you can join Coinbase One for zero trading fees.
Huh.
It's $30 a month after that, though.
Oh. Huh.
I see something taking over Coinbase.
Yeah.
It's going to be something we're seeing promoting everywhere because you're not seeing Coinbase promote anywhere.
No, you're not. They really don't do much in advertising, do they?
No, they did that one thing in Times Square where they just took out a solid color screen with a QR code on it, and they did the same thing at the Super Bowl ad, if you remember.
Yeah, and it ended up being Coinbase.
Mm-hmm.
Huh. It's pretty creative, actually, but
Yeah. Those are the only two ads I've ever seen of Coinbase. Two major ads.
I mean, but I don't see. I mean, I would hate for Crypto.com or I mean some of those
I'm okay with FTX. I like their owner.
FTX. Yeah, I've got it downloaded. I just have never actually. I don't think I've ever loaded it. I need to check it out. They're freaking everywhere. Also, they're all over. They've got to sponsor Major League Baseball. All the umpires have FTX on their uniforms.
Yeah. Depending on which race weekend it is, it's either FTX or Crow.com for F1.
Oh wow. It's amazing all these cryptos are so into the sports world. I guess they figure that's one of their best avenues to advertise.
Tezos is on every single F1 car. There's an XTZ logo on every single F1 car. There has been for like 4 years.
You say Tezos?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, they're all over baseball too. And
They're in actually,
UFC maybe?
They're in sprint car world too, like dirt track and sprint car racing.
Yeah.
That's like it goes through Indiana and Central Illinois. Sponsored by Tezos.
Which is, it's wild because I mean I guess Tezos is it's up there in rank.
I held a bunch of it because you could stake it on Coinbase for a while, but then it shit the bed. But apparently they still have money because they're everywhere.
Yeah.
I haven't even looked at this TZ in a while.
I think it's top 20 last time I looked.
It's always been decent.
Yeah.
Honestly, it'd be something to hold right about now. You could double your bag pretty easily.
Yeah. You could probably say that about several. Damn, Doge dropped to 11. FTX is 23. Maybe Tezos isn't. Or maybe I missed it.
Man, Anchor is taking the fuck off.
Tezos is 37th ranked.
Damn, Anchor just had a 35% candle on the day.
Shit.
And I would assume it's probably within the hour.
It is taking off.
I actually own some. Not a lot. But that's cool. I should sell it.
Profits, profits, profits.
Oh no, I don't. It's Avalanche.
Oh.
Lame.
Oops. Well, at least we're back over $1 trillion in market cap.
We've got to be. We got to be like 1.2.
Coin market cap says 1.163.
1.216968. So 1.216 as of 8:49 a.m.
Really?
Bitcoin's under 40% dominance right now, though. It's at 38%.
See, coin market cap's showing it at 40.5. Coin market cap's always different than everything else. For some reason.
This is Coin Stats.
Got ya.
$475 million in Bitcoin options expire this week. It's pretty bullish.
this week is in tomorrow? I wonder.
August 12th, tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I wouldn't doubt we see 25,000 today. Bitcoin.
Ripple's gonna buy, considering buying Celsius.
Wow.
Latest testnet before ETH mainnet merge. And of course the article does.
They're in they're in the test net.
Yeah.
From what I understand, that can take a while, but at least they're starting the process.
Phase 1.
I think there's usually 3 phases. I think.
Uh-huh.
But hey, got started sometime. They've only been talking about it for 3 years, so at least they're starting. I got $100 tied up on Coinbase with that shit.
I've got quite a bit.
Or it was 100. It's not now. It's about half that. But oh, I don't know. It's probably more than that now. Now that ETH has gone up. I haven't even looked for a while.
Binance won't support the new ETH 2.0.
Really?
Binance is not never mind. I read that wrong. I thought it said ruling out support. So they don't support it yet. They're not ruling it out. I see, never mind.
Huh. I can't imagine. They will, though. I mean, isn't Binance the biggest exchange in the world?
I think FTX is now. Honestly, I don't know. I have no idea who it is.
Well, it's up there anyway.
Yeah, they're on. Yeah.
Ethereum's #1 trending on CoinMarketCap.
Yeah, so at present, there are nearly $5 billion US of graphic card mining machines and ASIC Ethereum mining machines, A11 E9s, that need to find a way to continue mining after Ethereum turns to POS in September. Most belong to Chinese miners. That was written on the 28th. By Wu Blockchain.
So those miners won't be any good after they switch?
Well, right. They won't be, because it won't be good for Ethereum anymore.
Ethereum, right. So will when Ethereum 2 comes out, will Ethereum stay Ethereum and then there will be an additional Ethereum 2? Or will they combine into one?
Most likely combining into one, but there will be 2 for a little bit.
Yeah. I didn't know if it would be like a Luna Classic type thing, or... I mean, you already got Ethereum Classic, so... That will be interesting when that pops. Well, alert. Some whale's doing something somewhere.
There's a thing that I've called a hard fork that people can do. That, like, I don't know. But they most likely won't. There's going to be a lot of miners up for sale very soon.
It sounds like it, yeah. But couldn't you use those same miners to mine like Doge and other stuff?
Yeah.
Just the people that were mining Ethereum are going to be worthless to them, so they're going to get rid of them probably.
That or they'll just move them over, but they'll still be. It'll be a time to upgrade. So they'll put a lot of older ones out. I mean, you're going to shut the system down, so you might as well upgrade shit.
Yeah. 300 million TRX transferred from unknown wallet to unknown wallet. Which equals $21 million.
Probably a drug deal.
Yeah.
They bought an NFT where one of them wrote, "This is art," and then it's a drug deal.
Nice.
That's a legal embezzlement.
Yeah.
What kind of drug deal?
What's up, Tommy Thompson? Good morning. Top of the morning to you.
Good morning. I woke up. Fuck it. I saw profits.
Oh, yeah. It's been one hell of a morning.
So I turned around and bought some ship stocks today.
Some ship stocks?
Yep. Ticker is SHIP.
Yeah.
Not SHIT. SHIT.
I did think that's what you said at first. That's why I had to confirm.
Well,
man, I don't know how it's doing now, but I know at one time that thing was going crazy.
yeah, well. Yahoo's telling me it's a high dividend. Robinhood's telling me it's a different dividend. And they're usually never off that. So I just put reinvesting dividends because it was such a low stock. I bought just 2 shares and it was like $1.50.
Yeah.
So if it's at the high dividend, I can make my money back a couple months.
Right.
But if it's the other one, it's just a standard dividend of 6%.
You say it is 6%?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's according to Robinhood, but with Yahoo, they said it's something like close to 14%.
Oh shit.
So I don't know who's right, who's wrong, but
go to do they have does the actual stock have a website?
You know what?
Go to their website and go to investor relations.
Yeah, I should have thought about that one.
That will tell you.
Thanks for giving me the insight on that.
Hey, no problem. I've done it before. That's how I know.
Leprechaun.
What's up, Amber?
Nothing.
Top of the morning to you.
Thank you. Put in a sell order for all my Solano last night and just woke up and came in to check my portfolio and I got $18. I made $10 on $2.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. I was getting ready to say, I bet it filled.
Yep, a $10 profit or a $7, or actually I made an $8 profit because I only had $2 in Solano.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, according to Yahoo, it's 13.53% on SHIP. So I'm going to cut and paste the name, go to Google, paste, search, on the website. You said investor relationships? Yep, there it is.
Usually
click on that.
Investor relations, yeah, I think.
And they give you a bunch of bullshit. What am I looking at? Where do I find it?
I don't know. You may just have to surf around the webpage and find
Do you know how to like find a word on your screen? Type in dividends.
Yep, click on stock.
Or stocks, yep. Or I thought it was usually under investor relations. I don't know.
Yeah, it's under restorations, but it's,
Does it have an hourglass anywhere on the web page that you can type in search?
no. Which, well, let me try something else.
If they pay a dividend, for sure it'll be listed on there somewhere.
But I hate to, gentlemen, but I'm gonna have to jump off here and get dressed.
Oh yeah, no worries.
Roommate messed
It's-
up the front passenger tire,
Uh-oh.
and we gotta donut it. We don't got it on the front no more. We got it on the back now, but we got a donut on the car now, so we gotta go get the tire replaced today.
Yep, donuts aren't too good.
Well, I'm at the NASDAQ website
Yeah.
under ship dividend history. It's saying it's 13.3%, which is not too off from Yahoo. So I'm wondering if Robinhood trying to pull some shady shit.
I don't know. That doesn't sound right.
Because if it's like over 13% on this website, which is a different website, and then Yahoo Finances says the same thing, but Robinhood's telling me it's only 6%, that's kind of shady.
Yeah. Is Ship Synergy Maritime?
Yeah. Okay, I'll be right back. I gotta do something for the kitty cats.
Yes, sir.
Goddamn Anchor is taking long.
Still?
Yeah. Just double topped and then blew it out. I mean, on a 5-minute chart, but whatever.
Yeah, Robinhood might be trying to jack him around. It's because TradingView is showing it at 13.37% dividend. Yahoo Finance is showing it at 13.5%. I don't even know where. I'm not even sure where Robinhood shows dividends.
Oh, fuck, Anchor.
Yep, he's right.
Dude, Anchor's going to the fucking moon right now. It's up 60%.
Anchor?
Shit. Hey Tommy, you're right. I just looked on. Actually, on TradingView it shows 13.37% dividend yield. Yahoo's showing 13.53, and Robinhood's showing 6.69.
Yeah, so what's the deal on that? Robinhood trying to shaft investors out of their dividend?
I don't know. I mean, it's their. It sounds like Robinhood's giving you half of what they're. I mean, are they
Yeah.
keeping half? Hell, I don't know. It sounds like you're only getting half of what you should be getting.
Yeah.
Have you compared dividends on any other stocks?
Well, I compared dividends with Robinhood and Yahoo Finance only,
Yeah.
Dude,
and once in a while I get this
dude,
difference, but most of the time they're basically the same.
Huh.
I just entered an anchor long and was immediately up 156%.
What's the ticker for Anchor?
Are you serious?
ANKR.
ANKR.
I'm not even joking. It's fucking hilarious.
Anchor, blockchain, gaming details, premium plan,
Jesus.
enterprise.
I'm about to market close this motherfucker out.
I wonder who offers Anchor.
Kucoin. I have it on futures. I'm up at 175.
Yeah, it's a crypto, so I don't know.
I 20x'd it. In all transparency, very little money, but
Yeah. Well,
yeah.
Yeah, I really don't trust Kucoin because where it's located and what happened to square foot.
Yeah,
yeah.
that's kind of.
Well, but
In all fairness to KuCoin and everything that we all do, I kind of Squarefoot's fault.
Squarefoot will be the first one to tell you that he's the one that hit the button.
Yeah.
And actually, what took place had actually had nothing to do with KuCoin.
No.
I just will say that.
I don't know. If they start masking the Kucoin, somebody should be monitoring that. I mean, it did came through his fucking phone number that Kucoin uses to
Yeah, but anybody.
call his information. So how that happened?
No,
It
came from a different number. Yes, they did get his number, but it could have came from anything. It could have came from the Reddit.
I mean, anybody can use any number to pop up on your screen.
But they didn't use KuCoin's actual number. They used a similar number.
He said it was the same one that he had gotten a million times.
Yeah.
Really? Mine
Yeah.
wasn't. Mine was a similar number. And they've tried to scam me since for 3 months.
Wow.
But I changed my number. That's why I changed my number.
Well,
Huh.
I got Yahoo email, and there was a thing about weather in San Bernardino.
Yeah, I remember you saying something about that.
Once in a while, it popped up. No big deal, right?
Mm-hmm.
But when I started to notice that it popped up 15 different times
Shit.
for 2 weeks straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we don't know how where this leak came from. We could have entered our number into something else.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But I rather Weibo, Robinhood, they're in the United States and they got to go. I mean, if something happens like that, I mean, the FBI can step in and investigate. But if it's out of the country, like KuCoin, there's nothing they can do.
I mean, I don't have enough money on any of these places besides Coinbase that the FBI is going to give a fuck about me, so it doesn't matter.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you have an incident and people are losing, like, a whole bunch of people are losing money and it comes out to be $4 million or $4 billion,
You'll still never see it.
they have to investigate that.
Yeah. But that all just, when they get fined, that all goes into like a regulatory fund. Nobody gets to see that shit.
Oh, gentlemen, I gotta get my ass off this chair and go to town and get some things done today.
Yes, sir. I'm probably not gonna be on here a whole lot longer. I just want to come on for a couple hours in the morning for during the opening bell and see how things went. So
I saw those profits, and it was before opening bell,
yeah,
about 2 minutes before opening bell, and I started going through my portfolio, not thinking, bought some more shares of one of the stocks I had, and I turned around and bought chip off the profits I made off of Dogecoin.
nice,
So yeah, it's like
good deal.
yeah, and the way Amber made her money, she did that shit by herself. She didn't get no help from me.
Good.
So she's learning how to trade.
Yeah,
She's
she's
getting
getting there.
she's getting there. She's gonna lose her ass a couple times, but that's everybody.
Oh yeah, you've not been a trader long enough if you've not lost your
Yeah,
butt a time or two.
it's like I lost some money trying to short a Doge. Like, oh, I was supposed to go down. You fucker, where'd you go up? You ain't supposed to go up. All the charts, everything's indicating down. All of a sudden, boom, there it
Uh,
goes on a bull run from hell. So all I did was like, okay, I'll step back, see where it goes, collect my thoughts, and take the loss like a man. Throw some money into it, see if I can make it up. And I did.
there you go. That's how you do it, my friend. That is how you do it.
All right, gentlemen.
All right,
Have a
Tommy.
good
I'll be
trade.
on, I'll be on later tonight. So if you're around, stop in and say hey.
Hey, I will.
All
Have a
right.
good trading day.
All right, you too, man. We'll talk to you guys soon.
See you later, KRS.
Peace, Tommy.
And that's the Thompsons.
That's the 2 liters. Price is bouncing around so much. I might
Yeah,
not come out.
looks like Anchor's starting to come down a little bit.
It is. I don't think I'm going to come out at 150 eggs or 150%.
Bitcoin's a little dump didn't help anything, that's for sure. Mm-mm-mm.
I hate when Kucoin does this.
What's that? They do a lot of things.
The market price right now is 0.54. Their price is 0.50.
Oh, I saw that.
It's 50% difference on 20x.
I know. Do you think that, see, I wonder,
They fuck with the volatility here.
Anchor just dipped down to 48, so I wonder if it's just not caught up yet. There's so much movement on. I mean, that order book is just moving as quick as it can move.
Mhm.
So sometimes I don't know if it's on purpose or if it just literally just physically can't keep up. I was talking to Ape about it one day, and we kind of came to the conclusion that maybe that, especially on high volatility stuff, that maybe it just can't keep up. Because we would watch it, and it would eventually get to where the other one was. Like TradingView would eventually get to where Kucoin was, or vice versa.
Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, she's coming down pretty good.
I've got about $800 sitting left open in a bag that I need to put. I don't need to, but I would like to.
Put somewhere.
Yeah, and not on KuCoin.
Yeah. Yeah.
But this run, oh no, so we're now down. It'd be a good time, but I don't know yet. I haven't even really been looking at charts lately. I say that, but I'm in plays every day. But I haven't been sitting down like I usually do.
Right.
Been trying to fucking save a relationship.
Oh, did you, have you talked to her for a while recently?
Yeah, we're talking.
Yeah.
It might not be on the man.
Yeah.
But she did text me at fucking 5:30. I was asleep. Like, are you up? No, I'm not fucking up. She's like, hey, are you asleep at 5:30 in the morning? Like, they want to talk it out at the worst times. Yeah, I'm
No
asleep.
shit.
Which is a good sign, though. She couldn't sleep. She was thinking about it. So we'll see. But she's sleeping right now.
Yeah, she was up then, now she's asleep.
Well, yeah, I texted her. It was like at 7 when I got up, and she was like, she's like, no, whatever she said. Then she's like, I'm going back to bed.
Huh.
And I'll just let her text me, which I might not hear from. I don't know.
Yeah. Yep, good move. You don't want to be the guy up her ass.
Mm-hmm. All these dailies have so much room to fall.
Oh, yeah. They really do.
You know, it hasn't seen a run up in a while is Waves.
Oh, boy, I haven't heard that name for a while.
About time for a Waves pop.
Yes, it is.
Last time it popped was March 30th, and then the time before that, October of last year, September 4th it started.
Yeah, probably.
And some decent ones back in June. Yes, worth a small bet.
Looks like we're seeing a little lunchtime pullback in crypto. Man, everything is popping so good this morning. Damn. Pre-market. I was really hoping that crypto would follow the stock market. But looks like the stock market's kind of coming back as well now.
The NASDAQ.
Yeah, its numbers are pretty good. Just the ones I'm watching aren't aren't doing too good.
The index itself is down, falling hard.
Oh, is it? Okay, well maybe it is then.
Dude, go to the NASDAQ 100. It's falling. Oh, is that me? Yep, that's me. Sorry. Let's see some news chat. The NASDAQ just fell 200. That's recovering a little now. The SPY.
It's coming down. Still up, but down.
Isn't that good for Bitcoin?
Yeah, the lower it goes, technically the higher Bitcoin should go.
And Bitcoin on the 15 minutes having a turnaround.
Yeah, Bitcoin's, yeah, the 10-minute as well. Good, so is Ethereum. Almost at 1900 again, which is unbelievable. I never thought we'd be here 10 days ago.
Great to hear.
Yeah. I'd love to see Bitcoin at 25,000. I don't know if we'll get there or not, but definitely possible.
Mm-hmm.
Probably gonna have to happen today because usually Fridays are blah. Especially in the stock market. I guess not so much for crypto, really, but.
So, I've been looking back at Ethereum, and someone has always once said to me, they buy on a Tuesday and sell on a Saturday, and it's worked out pretty well for them. I was just looking, I don't know why that came to my mind, but I was just looking back, and it would work.
Really?
It's profitable.
Wow. Buy on Tuesday, sell on Saturday.
Yeah.
Huh.
Like, within the past 4 weeks, there's one time it wouldn't work. One time.
As long as that one time wasn't enough to wipe out all your gains from the other 3 weeks, it'd be worth it.
Yeah, depending on what your stop loss is.
Yeah. True that.
I hear the morning doves.
The morning doves. Yeah, it's what, only 9:30 there?
Mm-hmm. Sound like morning owls. Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. I'm in Ethereum long, I think. Yeah, let's give it a whirl.
It's one to hit 19. There we go. We hit 19. There we go. All right. You did your job, Ethereum. Now, Bitcoin, it's your turn. You got a little further to go, but you still got goals.
Move your son of a bitch. Go the other way. There she goes. A little breakout above. Did you have to take your kid to school today?
I did. Yep. First
How's-
time.
I was going to say, how hectic was drop off?
Drop off was a hell of a lot better than pickup was. Pickup, they were lined up about a quarter mile back. It took forever.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Like, I don't think any kid, right? I mean, the bus line was still pretty good size, but I was like, Jesus, just nobody ride the bus anymore? Which my son's going to on days that I don't pick him up, but...
Yeah, those drop offs are fucking insane.
Oh.
Pickups, I mean.
Pickup was worse. I don't know if it's because I guess it takes longer. Drop off, you basically pull up, your kid hops out, and you drive off.
They're gone, yeah.
Pretty much. There's teachers there pointing them in the right direction, but yeah. Pickup, they're like, they got to yell their name and...
Do they have the cones? So, like, even if you get your child, you're stuck behind a car waiting for their child?
Yeah. Yeah, they got, like, different colored cones.
Like, fuck, I could just be out of this mess.
Yeah. Yup. At least, I will say, it's a little bit better than... they have kindergarten separated from the rest of the kids. So that's a little bit easier, but...
That's nice.
The problem is, though, you're still, like, out on the highway, you're still waiting in the same line as everybody else. So until you get in the parking lot, it doesn't really make a difference.
Right.
But I've always heard, people on Facebook complaining, bitching about child pickup and child drop off, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, you just kind of don't think much of it or anything until you do it the first time.
It's a nightmare.
Mm-hmm.
One of our schools, when they let out, you can't go on that side of town because the cops can literally block off one direction of a 4-lane road.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it was... And this school is right off of, one of the major roads coming into our town. So you got school traffic mixed in with regular highway traffic. It was backed up forever. Some guy drove by with his window down, yelled, "Make your kids ride the fucking bus!" Apparently he had to wait a while. And didn't have a kid.
It's a lot of people in America now. There's a lot of fucking kids at every school, I think.
Yeah, this year is the most kids to ever go through the school that my son's going through. 720 some kids in his elementary school.
Wow, that's a lot.
Which, especially for our small town, I think we have 6 elementary schools. So yeah. When I went to school, we had one morning kindergarten, one afternoon kindergarten, and now they have 5 full-day classes of kindergarten. I'm like, holy shit. He actually goes to the same elementary school that I went to, but it's a different building. They tore down Daddy's building that didn't have air conditioning. When we got ceiling fans, we thought we were something else. And it was fucking hot. All we could do was open the windows.
Yeah.
Kids.
Well, windows and fans.
Yeah, and I can remember taking water breaks to go out in the hallway.
I was just gonna say that we didn't even have water bottles.
Well, we didn't have water bottles. We had water breaks where we would go out to the water fountain in the hallway. I can remember doing that. It was so hot we had to take water breaks. Unbelievable. We had one building in my high school that had air conditioning. The 300 building. Of course, it's all, since I've been gone, it's all been remodeled. Freaking crazy.
Crazy. I just entered 100x ETH long at 1898, and I took profit at 1907.
Nice.
40 something percent.
Am I yeah, I'm in an ETH long. But I'm at 10%. Or 10x, not percent. 10x.
I'm already out.
I would be too. How are you? 100x.
It was only $10.
Nice. Alright, man. Well, I think I'm going to hop off here for a little while. And I've got flag football practice tonight. Then when I get home, I'll be on here live again tonight later on. So.
Sounds good. I will most likely be around.
Right on. Sounds good. Good luck if you talk to your lady. Good luck with all that situation. I know it's
Yeah.
can be kind of nerve-wracking, but good luck with that, and have yourself a wonderful day out there in Colorado.
Oh, I will. I'm gonna go play on the river today.
Oh, cool. Sounds like fun.
Yeah.
You don't have too many days like this left.
No, well, yeah, and the river's down, so I won't get swept away.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Low current.
Yeah, you won't find me in Nebraska.
That's good. That's a good thing.
All right, man.
All right, brother. We'll talk to you soon.
Peace.
All right, later. Alrighty, guys. This is Crypto Leprechaun getting ready to head off for the day. And this afternoon, anyways. And I will be on later tonight. And probably be on about I'm gonna shoot for between 9:15 Eastern time. Yeah, so I'll be on live tonight, and gonna get some stuff done this afternoon. Good luck trading today. Have a very good trading day, and as always, make sure you make good decisions. And everything's looking good right now. If we can just keep a hold on it. At least till tomorrow, because you know how Fridays are. Fridays are very non-responsive. They're not. They usually don't do what we want them to do. So, anyways, that's Fridays for you. But anyways, good luck to everybody. Have a good trading day. Make good decisions, and just remember.